Softears EDGE comes in a very sturdy box. You will be welcomed by the IEMs themselves, structured from precision CNC-machined titanium alloy. There are sharp edges outside, but the inside is really smooth with a proper air vent system, and they stay comfortable even for marathon listening. And then comes the accessory pack. Inside, we will have Type-B ear tips for balanced reference kind of listening, and Softears' most appreciated and very comfortable UC tips. After that, this soft leather carrying box, and inside this stock cable features a 7 and high purity OCC core with a dual layer silver plated outer structure. No interchangeable terminal, only a 4.4 mm connector. So this is what Softears offers with their $500 IEMs EDGE. Full review is in the making. Stay tuned.